Hi, welcome to this video series on living in the heart. And like how love impacts various areas of life. This one is about love in manufacturing, and so of course this is going to be highly unconventional information. The so the heart center, of course, as we talk about in these videos, as I talk about it, connects to the universal consciousness, universal mind. Love, unconditional love, is the key to opening that heart center. So what the heck does this have to do with manufacturing? So it's here's the thing. Our manufacturing processes around the world right now that are like corporately done. I mean, there are some individuals that have some pretty really great manufacturing processes at a small level, at a small scale. But for the most part, our manufacturing processes for the masses are great examples of really what not to do. They're great examples of processes that just do not have resonance with the universal mind, with the consciousness mind. So if you go into that, like I talk about, if you go into the universal mind, you present any type of our manufacturing processes, and you know what, this includes actually drilling and mining as well as producing products. They're all in complete dissonance basically with the universal mind. Just it's ridiculous. So as we move into higher awareness, higher consciousness, our awareness of dimensions goes up. We have a propensity for tapping into our heart energy centers and living from a more loving space, and we're connected to the universal mind. Manufacturing is going to radically change, and it's going to be virtually no pollution whatsoever. So we're moving into an age, an era where the formulation, deformulation, and reformulation of matter is going to be used extensively in the manufacturing process. And so not only will you have very little surplus of any types of goods, no, very little, if any, waste at all. Actually, there won't be any waste because any waste is going to be reformulated or deformulated back into energy. And so then you've also got really the customizable in local environments. So you will basically get anything that you want, including clothing or any supplies that we need locally. They'll all be made locally through etheric magnetic processes. So that's formulated out of etheric energy. And this is already being done, you guys, in labs and stuff. So this isn't, I'm not even talking anything that wild or that science fiction-y. um, Top secret labs have been working on this stuff for decades. So it'll be formulated too, but here's the difference though. Tuning into your heart center, tuning into the universal mind, and having your particular like clothing or whatever it is that you're getting, like basically reflecting that process and reflecting the connection with the universal mind. That's where manufacturing is going to go. It's really becomes like more of an art form than it is just some thing for the masses, something that's just being mass produced. In as far as the information that we've been given, and we've had hundreds, if not thousands, of experiences of information that later proved to be real in the real world. And so we take a lot of this information seriously, the stuff that hasn't been proven to us yet. We still take it seriously because so much has been proven. But one of the things that we are told is that in more advanced societies and more enlightened societies, if you want to call it that, there's really very little mass production of anything. Most things are done on a customized basis down to the individual, reflecting what they truly desire and truly want in their heart space connected to universal consciousness. And things, of course, are made to essentially last for as long as the person wants them. And so it's a whole different model of manufacturing. Obviously, there's a lot of repair that needs to be done with mining and drilling, with thousands upon thousands of like abandoned wells and oil wells and things that are going to all be need to repair, be they need to be repaired, and then as well as mines and refilling mines and getting the residents of those mines back into compatibility with the earth, all the toxins. It just goes on and on. But so assuming that we have the technology to clean it up, humanity with a as we work together from our heart space universal consciousness, we will tackle every one of those problems robustly. So it'll be not an issue for us to do that with the right level of consciousness and with technology. And so, yeah, manufacturing from the heart connected to universal consciousness, I mean, we will have a whole new level of devices that are interdimensional devices to support our ascension or expansion of consciousness, devices across the board that are just going to be incredible. So, if you have any questions or comments, please send them in. Thank you.